The planet Ignos is a sister planet to Earth, following a similar yet more elliptical orbit that passes closer to Solson. Its atmosphere is thinner and its core denser. Science has not explained the reasons, but the life that evolved here was mineral-based, resulting in a humanoid race that resembles large muscular men made from a black-blue stone. They are a warrior people. Honor means more to them than it does to humans. Ignosians generally view magic as undesirable and unpredictable. Their blood is a special type of molten rock, and although this makes them impervious to all but magical flames asterisk, it also renders them vulnerable to cold-based attacks. Implosives are also a concern. Another quality that Ignosians possess that is superior to humankind is that, like a well-weathered stone, they retain much of the experiences they learn, allowing them to select up to 12 skills of the mighty, 8th, 20th rank, and up to 10 skills of the elite, 21st, 31st rank. Many bolt harder stone to their crusty frames. Their weapon of choice is a long sonic polearm. The limit of their rank is known to be 95th. Most ballistic engagement is seen as cowardly by Ignosians in the same way that monks view it, when it is resorted to, usually on cowering aliens who have shot at them from a distance. It is generally done with thrown stone weapons or their version of flamethrowers, which are technically molten plasma throwers. Below are the statistics that would be the equivalent of a Category 1 human civilian in Ignosian society. Ignosian citizen Batak 14, Evasion 2, Attack 15, Attack 16, Defense 9, Stealth 8, Perception 12, Durability points D8+8, durability uses the lesser of PP. Natural armor, AF 7/9 when rolled into a ball. Natural absorption, 1 on a D20. Resilience 8, natural attack. Rolling attack speed equals sign reflexes versus evasion. Distance equals sign, strength plus reflexes, 2D8 plus 2P/PAF, strength 3D12. Endurance 3D11, reflexes 3D5, tenacity 3D6, intellect 2D8, genetics 3D7, charisma 3D4, honor D20, character modifier for player Ignosian professional characters and NPCs, +1 Batak, +3 Matak, +2 defense -1. Evasion, racial skills, honor, attack roll, natural absorption. Sanctioned Ignosian professions: bounty hunter, conflict, sentinel engineer, explorer, gladiator, mercenary pilot, professional hurler, prospector, rock spider rider, scout, street slugger, warrior, witch hunter. Ignosian skills of the elite: might, loyalty, fortitude, valor. Resolution, ferocity, Ignosian skills of the mighty avalanche roll. Many Ignos warriors learn to use their incredible mass more effectively in rolling attacks by leaping into the air and crashing down upon their victims. Avalanche roll, speed, equal sign reflexes +3, distance equal sign, strength plus reflexes +5M, 2D10 +3P/PF. Avalanche roll can be mastered by Ignos warriors and mercenaries of 8th rank or higher. Strength training. Ignosians can continue their strength training at 25th rank, granting +3 strength, War Kiln. The dreaded War Kiln is a purpose-built structure where experienced Ignos warriors are conditioned and hardened in a heat that is uncomfortable even for those with lava for blood. War Kiln can be chosen at 9th, 11th and 13th rank by Ignosians. The sustained incredible temperatures that are applied over months of treatment grant +1 AF. This is cumulative, so if chosen 3 times, +3 AF is gained. An older Ignosian warrior can return to the War Kiln for another +2 AF at 25th rank. Skills of the Paramount War Furnace. If War Kiln has been chosen at least 3 times, a 33rd rank Ignosian can enter the War Furnace for treatment, where his/her rock skin will harden even further. +4 AF. Strength training. Again, if selected by Ignosians, their strength training techniques grant +4 strength, unless the Ignosian has taken strength training at least 3 times. In this case, he/she will receive +5 strength. Citrium resistance. Citrium is an element that occurs naturally on Ignos. Over many thousands of years, certain Ignosians have developed a method to gain a resistance to its effects. At 9th rank or higher, an Ignosian can decide to undergo the supervised procedure of increasing tolerance to the peripheral effect. At the end of Citrium resistance training, any damage caused by the secondary effect of Citrium is halved round up, and the subject can carry up to half of the amount, round down, that would cause maximum effect without fear of injury. Citrium immunity. One of very few 18th rank skills of the mighty, Citrium immunity is available only to those Ignosians who have completed Citrium resistance. It grants total immunity to the peripheral and life-draining effects of Citrium. Amplified Citrium counts as normal Citrium to an Ignosian with this skill. Temperature temperance, an unpopular and painful path for a young Ignosian. Repeated and prolonged exposure to uncomfortably low temperatures eventually results in some degree of natural compensation, reduces the vulnerability that Ignosian have to cold. Each time temperature temperance is chosen, 1p is suffered from cold, even though it is still doubled before this modifier is applied. Temperature temperance can be chosen up to 3 times as a skill of the mighty by Ignosians. Subsurface toughening results in an improvement from the 1 on a D20 absorption to a 1 on a D12 absorption. Remember, you cannot absorb any blow that exceeds the AF.